Maybe an accident. Yeah, it looks like it. What is that, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today is Easter Sunday. I hope you guys are all having a great Easter so far, doing whatever you're doing. I'm gonna go and hide some eggs for the little one, let her look for them, have some fun. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the overwhelming support we've gotten lately. You guys have been killing it with the videos, so appreciate that. And just want to welcome all the new subscribers that are joining the Moto fam. We appreciate you being here. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. There's a lot more stuff to come. Trying to make better content and just constantly changing things, trying to make things better, learning, you know, all that stuff. This whole YouTube thing's a huge learning curve, man. There's so much stuff that goes into it. It's not as simple as, you know, we all think. It's a lot of work, especially when you work full-time and you're a dad full-time and husband full-time and do YouTube full-time. It's tough out there, man. But I absolutely love it. It's awesome. I love making videos for you guys, and seeing them do well is very encouraging, because sometimes this whole YouTube thing can be pretty discouraging when, you know, you put your heart and soul into a video and it doesn't do well. It's, you know, it's hard, but that's just the way it is, man. Just got to keep on trucking. But, you know, it's paying off now. We're doing really well, and we've gained quite a few subscribers. So again, thank you guys so much for all the support, and I hope we continue to grow and continue to make better videos for you guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys are doing for Easter and how your Easter was and all that good stuff. And don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help the channel a lot and gets the video out to more viewers and stuff, so we appreciate it. This bike is so easy to do wheelies on. So much fun. What do you guys think of the bike so far? I know we've had a few videos come out with the bike so far. I'm interested to know what you guys think. I absolutely love it, man. I couldn't recommend this bike more. It's just you can't beat what you get for your price point, man. I mean, they're just, in my opinion, there just isn't a better deal out there. I just feel like it's, you know, it's obtainable to so many people, you know, versus a lot of the other bikes that are, you know, $12,000, $13,000, $15,000, and that's just in like the 600 range. Then you talk about the leader bikes, you know, you're well into the 20s. I mean, that's a freaking car for most people, man. That's a lot, and that's coming from me. I wanted an R1 for as long as I can remember. You know, it's not very obtainable. Sure, yeah, you could probably get like a used one. I'm talking about like new. Like this bike was brand new with like 2 miles or whatever. So for under 10 grand, I mean, I don't know, you guys let me know if you think there's a better deal out there than this. And I mean, if for newer people, you know, that maybe don't want as much power, you know, you got the MT-07 and the MT-03, hold on, I forget where I'm going, which are even cheaper. I mean, now you're talking, you know, 5 grand or whatever for, you know, a bike with all the torques and all the fun. Super obtainable. Oh. Uh-oh. Maybe an accident. Yeah, it looks like it. That sucks on Easter out of all times. That's unfortunate. Hope they're all okay. But yeah, this is a little park. We're gonna hide some eggies for the little one. Looks like a side swipe or something. Alright guys, we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, let's go hide some of these eggs. Sexy bike. Freaking key stuck in the ignition. It won't come out now. I have no idea why. Alright guys, help me find a good spots for these huevos. Can't be too crazy because she's just a little one. That one looks cool. You found one? Yeah. What? You found an egg? Yeah. Yay! You passed right by one.
Look it. You're missing one. Over here, baby. Look.
Here, baby. Bruh. Look who joined me, guys. Decided to cruise by and watch his niece find some eggs. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. My youngest really enjoyed it. It was nice because last year she didn't really, know what was going on. She was only like a year old, but now she kind of like really knew, and she's been talking about it forever, about wanting to find eggs. So it was a lot of fun. It was really cool to see her enjoy that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick little one. Figured you guys might enjoy it. So that bike's so loud. It's kind of ironic because I was just talking to you guys about how much I love this bike and how great it is in every single way and all that, and then I get to the park and I can't get my key out of my ignition. It was literally stuck in there, and now it's all messed up. Every time I put it in there, it gets stuck. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to see what's up with that. That's kind of annoying. It was perfectly fine the last time I rode it, and then now out of nowhere it just will stick. I mean, it'll switch through, the ignition and everything, but it just doesn't want to come out. You're a little speed racer. I'm over here trying to record content, he just dips out. We gonna catch him now. Oh, there he is. See ya, punk. You little shit. Alright guys, well that probably concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was just a quick little Easter video, but I just wanted to hop on here and wish you guys a happy Easter and get a banger video out for you guys. So do us a favor, smash that like button, hit up that comment section down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.